Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super quick tutorial, how to make custom folder icons in Windows 11. It's quick and easy, let's get started. Step 1. Find your icon. To start, you'll need a new icon. A great resource for free icons is iconarchive.com. Visit the website and use the search bar to find an icon that fits your style or needs. For example, I searched the folder here. As you can see, there are lots of icons available here. Once you've chosen, click all download formats to see the available file types. Select the ICO format, the one compatible with Windows, and download it. Step 2. Save the icon file. After downloading, place this file where you want. Step 3. Change the folder icon. Right-click on the folder you want to customize. From the context menu, select Properties. Navigate to the Customize tab. Click the Change Icon button. In the new window, click Browse, locate the icon file you saved earlier, and select it. Click Open, then OK, and finally apply to save the changes. Congratulations, your folder icon has changed. If you ever want to go back to the default folder icon, right-click the folder and select Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Click the Change icon, then select Restore Defaults at the bottom. Press Apply and OK. Customizing your folder icons is a simple way to make your Windows 11 experience more unique and visually appealing. Now your folders can reflect your personality or help you stay organized with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.